We bought our house about 2 years ago, and there was no indication of any water from the real estate agent. After about 6 months here, it started to rain. We remodeled, we put new carpet in, we put drywall in, and we got flooded out 3 times. We would sit and watch TV and hear water running down the walls behind us. To summarize, what we did here in our house was to put water guard piping in the floor, moisture barrier, clean space moisture barrier in the walls to contain the moisture. We tied it all into the triple safe sump pump. We chose Baker's Waterproofing primarily, not because I work for Baker's Waterproofing, but primarily because we are the best at what we do. It is the best company I've ever really worked for, and I know that they would do the job right. So even if I didn't work for Baker's, I would have chosen them to do the job. I get a chance to see a lot of houses that need our help. I do not get an opportunity to participate that often in the actual process of installing the waterproofing system. So when it was time to install it in my house here, I took the day off and I was actually a laborer with the crew. It was a great learning experience. It helped me appreciate how hard our people work installing the waterproofing, and it gave me a chance to see how the system works firsthand. One of the things that surprised me, even though I am immersed in this world every day, was the function of this clean space moisture barrier that we put on the walls. That's what's right behind me. When it was installed, I purposely turned off our dehumidifier so that I could see what difference the whole system would make. And it works great. I'm a great fan of this moisture barrier system that we put in. The biggest thing is, when it rains real hard, we can just smile and say, it's raining real hard. We don't have to worry about what will happen in the house.